Okay, guys, on the 14th of August, we actually analyzed this asset together, GainX1200, and I'm going to show you the results of the analysis right now. And of course, what I will be showing you is going to shock you, okay? Because this simple strategy, which I'm about to review to you in this video, will give you a lot of opportunity within the forex market. Okay, all you need to do is just for you to sit tight and watch this video to the end. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, just like you guys have known, I love using the trend. Okay, so what I did was, um okay, let me show you this. Okay, so on the 14th of August, we actually analyzed this asset. This asset actually got to the resistance zone on the 13th of August, and of course, just the way we are seeing it, it was unable to break out from there. Tried to sell a bit, but went back up, still unable to break out. So we had to wait till it switched into a downtrend, at this spot, and of course, when it broke out from the structure. I mean, when it gave us market structure shifts, okay, at this spot, then I asked us to jump into it right away. You can see it broke out from here and got to this region and came back down again to this our um other block, and of course we add a sell signal also at this spot. You can see I told us that this is going to be a very long selling opportunity, and I'm going to prove this to you guys. See what we are able to achieve with this right from here, guys. Right from here, you can see this is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, and I'm able to come up with this signal because we have done it over and over again. First of all, we also use it to trade spikes. Okay, and we use it to trade spikes for a very long time, you can see I'm going to show you where we started from. We started from here, and of course it's broke out from the I mean, it gave us a market structural shift at this spot. Okay, and pull back down to give us an entry point right from here. And because it is spikes trading, so we might experience some major pullbacks in between. But check it out, it had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend during those periods. Okay, and of course till it finally got to this resistance zone. Okay, and right now we are on downtrend right now, and it's going to sell for long. Okay, let me show you this, guys. Let me zoom it out a bit so that you will have a better understanding of what we are seeing right here. Okay, so personally, if there is going to be any major change or shift, then it should get to this region. Okay, so you can imagine you selling right from here till it got to this region. Okay, let's even see the profits which we've gotten so far if we had come in at the right points. Okay, um this will have given us, okay, 108,345 points. That's a lot of profit because this particular our asset is on 1 hour time frame. That is the power of trend trading strategy. Okay, so what I actually did was to come over to our 1 hour time frame and analyze the asset, wait for the right switch. Okay, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we jumped into it right away. And right from there, we kept on milking the market over and over all the way down to this region. At first, I was expecting it to have any major change around here. Okay, but lucky for us, it tried to play around there but broke out easily from here, and of course that gave us more trading opportunity. If you remember very well, when I updated us about this, I said once it is achieving this area, we should readjust our stop loss to lock up some profit for us because of this region. And you can see it broke out below it and it is still selling right now. So that is one beautiful thing about this particular strategy. Okay, most especially on higher time frame, it helps you to see clearer, and of course you can go for a very long time and milk the market till the very end. And there is another thing which which I will wish to point out. If you should notice, after selling for a while at the pullback, this is another area which you can jump into the order, or another opportunity for you to create more order. It sold again at this pullback and gave us another sell signal, another opportunity for you to jump into the trade, or give us more order in order for you to milk more if you want to add more order to it. Okay, now it has sold till it got to this region. If there is a pullback around here again, it is also another opportunity for you to add more order into it. And each of the orders that you are adding, always make sure you have your stop loss attached to it. Okay, don't worry, stay tight, because I will also bring up more training on this. This will help you to trade for a very long time, or at least to know or to have an idea the direction of the market even before you trade. That is, even if you want to trade within a short period, probably you just want to scalp within few hours and of course get your profit and get out of the market, then this will actually help you to know the direction of the market before you set up your trade. All you just need to do is just for you to follow the trend. You can see the trend is so clear here. When it got to downtrend, you can see the color changing to red, and right from here till this very moment it's been red. You can see that is one beautiful thing about it. When it was on uptrend, it was on this color, this yellow color. You can see from year to year, that is what we experienced. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. And all this happened on 1 hour time frame, guys. All these happened on 1 hour time frame, and that is why you should appreciate this kind of opportunity or strategy. Learn it very well and start applying it on your account. You can start from your demo account until you are able to perfect it. Once you perfect it, then you can now go over to your real account. I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly subscribe to this channel right now so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Thank you and God bless you.